Na nimesikia wabunge hapa wakituuliza tunataka mpango wa NYS urudishwe. So I don't know how we will reconcile having additional men in NYS under the service while we have removed their budget. I remember I tried intervention with Parliament and it wasn't possible. I want to persuade you, members of Parliament. We should not criminalize and demonize NYS because of the challenges it has had. NYS can be reformed, will be reformed, and we will make it compliant so that there is no pilferage, there is no wastage, and there is no corruption.
So let's see how we are going to tap these talents from the youth and from the women. And as you always say, women benefit. Whether you are 18 years old, you can fit in youth fund. Whether you are 50 years old, you can fit in women fund. And you can also fit in Uwezo fund.
Na mimi najua tukijenga wamama, tujenge vijana na tujenge wazee, kazi yetu itakuwa rahisi na tutaendelea kuendeleza kazi katika nchi yetu ya Kenya.